I'm here outside and going to school. And Dada is in the work. Dada is not waiting for me to go school.
Okay.
And Mama is here to say hi to you. So,
okay, you're going to school. You go by bus, right?
Yes.
You look at there.
I'm sorry. And I'm here. In our home is over there. And I don't know who's guarded. And there are so many things I can go to school. There is toys, chairs, tables, and there are so many. And I'm sitting in that place. And now I'm
Hi guys.
in the bus now.
sobrang ni Orlin tawag dito. Talkative. Hindi niya alam kung anong pinagsasabi niya. Guys, good morning. So, ayan, ihatid ko si Orlin. Kasi, nauubos siya. Nauubos si Orlin.
Hi guys, I'm coughing.
Yeah. Because you have cough.
Yeah. Because
Then, ihatid ko siya doon guys sa reception. Kasi yung kanyang bus is 7 o'clock.
Here. Now we left there.
You will wait the bus there.
Yes.
The reception and Dada is waiting there.
Yes.
We will listen to the teacher, okay?
Okay.
And smiley and happy. Ayan guys, nandito na kami. Say good morning, Dada.
Good morning, Dada.
Good morning.
Say good morning.
Fine.
You okay?
Yes.
You sleep?
Yes. I sleep with Dada.
Nandito na kami guys.
Yeah.
When am I came?
Last night
Ang init, humid.
when I sleep, I go in the sofa and I tell Dada to come in the bed.
What?
You woke up in the night?
Yeah.
What?
Because I wake up at the night and
What time you
Mama came and I opened my eyes and I laughed.
You didn't see Dada there?
Yeah.
Because I work, no? No, I saw.
You that saw?
I know I saw.
You that saw?
I saw your letter E, right?
Huh?
E, right? Letter E.
E for?
Small E. 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 Letter E. What you eat for your breakfast?
I eat breakfast for
Biscuit and
I
careful your tiffin box is gonna
Keep it in the table.
I eat breakfast for the lunch.
breakfast for the lunch.
What is that? I ate biscuit for breakfast.
Yeah, and I eat breakfast for
Biscuits.
Arlen, sit proper. With Dada. Sit with Dada.
Dada, I want to take a picture.
Sit.
Ah!
Dada will sit. I like this. You wish Dada.
Okay. Bye, Arlen. Good morning. Where is Arlen? Arlen sitting there. Arlen is sitting there. Ayan guys. Ito yung aming hotel. Ayan. Ayan. Ito yung mga kwarto. Maglibot muna tayo. Bago tayo umuwi. So ayan. Amoy Clorox yung yung tawag dito, yung swimming pool. Ayan. Ito yung aming rooms. Ayan. 70 plus or 70 na rooms ito guys. So ayan, ito yung aming swimming pool. Ewan ko kung gumagana ba ito. Baka may ano under maintenance siya. So ayan. Ito yung mga rooms. Ayan, dami. Maganda to guys yung swimming pool pag gabi kasi may mga lights siya. Doon din yung ano, doon din rooms din yan. Ayan. Tapos andun yung ano, yung playground namin dito sa hotel. Ayan oh. Ayan, din yung playground. Ayan. Kaya pag weekend, daming pumupunta dito. Pag ano, may mga holiday yun, ayan, daming mga batang naglalaro dito. So ayan, ang aga kasi guys pa, mga 7 o'clock. So ayan, tulog pa yung mga tao. Kaya ayan, video muna ako para ano, makita nyo yung hotel namin. Pag ano, pag siguro yung kung sino man yung ano, nasa Dubai or Sharjah ganon, malapit dito sa Fujairah, inquire lang kayo dito sa beach, Fujairah Beach Hotel and Resort. Ayan, ang ganda niya pag ano, ang ganda nito nung ano, yung swimming pool pag ano, umagana, may mga may fountain dyan yan. Ayan. Ayan yung ibon na yun. Mga dates, ang daming dates dito. Nakapalibot sa mga rooms. Tapos sa gilid ng ano, swimming pool. Yan guys. Diba? Ang ganda. Ang ganda na ng ano, mga rooms. Ayan. Sa kabila nito guys, itong rooms na to sa kabila, may rooms pa rin doon. Doon din yung, ayan, yung rooms na yun. Sa kabila, meron ding rooms doon. Mamaya. Tapos sa harap, meron din. Ipapakita ko sa inyo, guys. So, ang malapit dito sa Fujairah, ayan, punta kayo dito. Sa Fujairah Beach Hotel and Resort. Ayan, guys. At ito yung reception. Ayan si Dada. Hi. Hello. Ayan si Dada, guys. Ayan. Say hi, baby.
Hi.
Tired. Night shift. Ayan. Oh, ang ganda na nito. Oh. Ang liit pa yan dati. Ayan, ito din. Tapos, ayan. Ayan. Merong ano, money plant. Ano nito yung money plant? Wala na. Ew. Wala na. You need to remove that one, yeah? It's already damaged. Yeah. So, ayan. Ayan. Ayos. Ang ganda ng bulaklak, oh. Kalachuchi. Kalachuchi. Ayan. Ayan dito. Ayan na. Highway na dyan yan. Highway na. Tapos doon guys. Ayan. Mga rooms. Ito yung rooms din dito. Ayan. Nakuha ko tuloy. Doon din. Ayan. Highway na. Nabot kasi ito sa amin. Ayan, busy kasi ano. Holiday Tuesday. Grabe naman yung mamadali. Maraming sasakyan nun, mamadali lang. Parang lasing pa yan. Giwang-giwang. Parang lasing pa mag-drive. Pag-giwang-giwang. Ayan guys, pauwi na ako. Ayan si Dada. Ayan. Magpa-punch out na siya. Time out. Ayan, ako muna. Maglalakad lang ako. Tinanong ko, akala ko yung swimming pool sarado. Yung pala may oras. 9 o'clock pa yung bukas niya. Akala ko hindi gumagana yung swimming pool. Yun pala 9 o'clock may oras. Ayan. Ayan. Pauwi na. Wala pa akong tulog guys. Kasi tapos ng work ko 4 o'clock. Then 4:30 nakarating ako ng kwarto. So 5:30 yung aking alarm. Hindi na ako natulog. Yan ang routine ko everyday. Simula nang nag night duty si Dada. Kaya ayan. Ando na si Dada ko. Oh. Kaya ayan. Ayan guys, papakita ko lang yung kung saan ako kumukuha ng malunggay. Ayan. Tingnan niyo. Ang init. Humid guys. Dami. Grabe. Napawisan ka. Ayan guys, oh. Ayan. Yung malunggay. Di ba? Ang taba na ng malunggay. Ayan. Diyan kami kumukuha ng pang tinola or para sa munggo ganon. Ayan. Ang dami. Oh. Ayan. Malunggay is life. It's very healthy guys. Malunggay. So ayan guys, end ko na ito. Thank you for watching. See you in our next vlog. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye guys.